What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. Let's get started. Some of the things needed for today: you're going to need an oil drain pan, an oil funnel, some paper towels or some rags. I'm using a Shell Rotella 15W40, 5/8 open end. Here I got an open end ratchet, some gloves, keep your hands clean. You're gonna need an oil filter wrench. Here I got the Dox diesel package on Amazon. It comes with your 2 diesel fuel filters and your diesel oil filter. Over here I got my creeper. Make it easy to roll underneath the truck, drain your oil. So generally when you open this up, it's gonna pour out a lot of times initially and then slow its pour. So sometimes you have to hold it up just to start. To splash, so just be careful. Get that on there. All right. Now you're gonna hold it like back here just in case. Fuck, this one is hard. Okay. I'm gonna step back. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the wrench off because it's starting to drip. I want to get this wrench completely soaked in oil. Okay. I'm going to do the rest by hand. Wind is blowing it. Like I said, this thing is gonna shoot, so be prepared. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, it is flowing. Look at that stream. Holy shit. Woo-wee. All right, so it pretty much slowed down to just some drips. I'm gonna plug it right now. Okay. All right, after that's done, alrighty, we're back. So put your little oil pan now underneath where the oil filter is. Your oil filter is right here, okay? Get your oil filter wrench. Okay. You're gonna position it in the way that you have to untighten it, because if you do it this way, then that's to turn it right. This way, to tension it, to turn it left. Okay? I might need 2 hands. Shit, this is tight. God, that is tight. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's gonna start coming out any moment now. Okay, there it is. It's gonna start dripping. So now you can take it by hand, and you'll see any second some oil will start to, there it goes. It's gonna start dripping out. Okay, you can let that sit for a little until the flow really slows down, then you could open it up a little more, until you take the entire filter off. All right, it's getting a little slower. Now you're gonna wanna rag around because your hands are gonna get disgusting, covered in oil, after you touch this thing. So have a rag, paper towel around handy. All right, the main flow has really stopped, so now I'm just gonna really just open it up to take the whole thing off. You're gonna wanna put this very gently into the drain pan below you, so you don't accidentally let it slip out of your fingers. Do it very slow because this thing is slippery and you don't want to drop it. Oh, look at that. And then it splatters. See, I caught it gently in my hand, and now the rest of it is just gonna slowly piss out. That's why I said you have a rag around, because now use this to kind of stop it from dripping everywhere off my hand. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be pre-filling my oil filter. Like I had mentioned, I'm gonna be using a 15W40. You can use 10W30, you can use 5W40. I'm using 15W40. That's up to you depending on the needs of your vehicle, depending on the climate you live in, depending on if you're just using general use for your vehicle, if you're hauling, towing a lot of weight. That's up to you. You figure out what oil works for you best, depending on your climate, like I mentioned, and depending on what you're hauling. So here we go, and we're pre-filling this up. Tip the filter a little down more, the bottom of base more. Yep. A little space off it. Yep. Let it absorb it up a little bit. It's gonna take it. It's gonna start sucking all that up in the filters. All right, that's good enough to start. And what I'm gonna do is use a little oil around your O-ring, a little gasket right here. And that's really, what that's gonna do is really gonna get a snug, tight fit on there. By just lubing this up a little bit, it can get a few more cranks in to really get that filter sealed tight on there. All right, so we're gonna put our pre-filled filter up here. And now just hand screw this on. Okay. Now using your wrench, you're gonna tighten this up. You don't want to make it too tight, just a little snug, and that's it. All right, that's good. All right, guys, we're gonna be putting 13 quarts in the truck. Let's get started. You wanna measure where you're at. You're gonna take your dipstick out, clean it off, and where you're looking for on here, let's see if you can focus, is in between. There's a line right here and a line right here. You want to get in that middle range. Okay. All right, guys, so that finishes up today's episode of how to change your oil for a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I appreciate all the support. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.